So, as I was explaining in the last lesson, that we can just cancel the denominators out now since they're all the same, right? So x plus 3, x minus 3, x plus 3, x minus 3, x plus 3, x minus 3. So let's just cancel everything out on the denominators. We cancel it out, and we're just left with 4x minus 5x minus 3 equals 2, x plus 3, and x minus 3. That's your final answer. And for 2 now, so 2, it says solve and check each equation. Identify all non-permissible values, right? So the first one is f plus 3 over 2 minus f minus 2 over 3 equals 2. Okay. Now, to get the non-permissible values, you just set them to not equal 0, right? So if there's anything on the denominator, since there is nothing on the denominator, right? You don't have anything that's a non-permissive value, so there is no non-permissible values because there's no variable on the denominator. So over here you get, remember, we want to make the denominator the same, right? So 2 is basically 2 over 1. So how can we make this the same denominator as this and this? We can multiply this by 3, and we can multiply this by 2, and we can multiply this by 6, right? Because 3 times 2 is 6, 2 times 3 is 6, and to make this the same, we can multiply the 1 by 6. So whatever you do on bottom, you also have to do on the top. So let's do that on the top as well. So multiply by 3, and multiply this by 2, and multiply that by 6, right? So 6. And so over here we just get, let me write it a little bit bottom. We get 3f plus 3 over 6 minus 2f minus 2 over 6 equals 6 times 2, which is just 12, over 6. And over here, we know we can just cancel the denominators out, right? So just cancel all the denominators out. 3, what's left is 3f plus 3 minus 2f minus 2, which equals 12. So now what we can do is we can FOIL everything out. So let's FOIL everything out. That goes on that. That goes to that as well, right? So 3f is just 3f. 3 times f is just 3f. 3 times 3 is 9. So put that there. So minus 2 times f is 2f. 2 times negative 2, right? Remember, this is a negative 2. So negative 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. We have that equals 12. Okay, let's collect the like terms. So this is 3f, and that's negative 2f. 3f minus 2f is 1f, right? So let's write 1f, which is just f, so you don't have to write the 1 there. And then the last terms, like terms, are 9 and 4. 9 plus 4 is 13, so you get plus 13 equals 12. So you have f plus 13 equals 12. You can do minus 13. Minus 13. F equals 12 minus 13 is negative 1. Dun 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 dun. That's your answer.